Eastern Shore are mostly rural, and with that, buyers have enjoyed using the USDA 100% no money down payment loan program. Some areas may need to brace for a change. It's Friday, March 10th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Be in the know, subscribe for your weekly local market updates. Last week, I shared the news about FHA and VA loan product changes to benefit buyers. This week, the USDA is planning changes that may negatively impact both buyers and sellers. The United States Department of Agriculture is looking at remapping the USDA rural development housing eligibility for certain areas that have been eligible, allowing buyers the 100% no down payment loan program. Now, it appears that several counties may have some communities excluded due to density changes. Some of those areas include Calvert, Charles, Frederick, and Worcester counties. Communities in existing ineligible areas may also be expanded to include areas around Cumberland, Owings Mills, Randallstown, Westminster, Elkton, Linganore, Bel Air, North Ellicott City, Lexington Park, and Salisbury. The impact of these changes affect the buyer's buying power in rural areas, thereby creating a shift for potential sellers. The USDA loan product is a powerful loan product in assisting buyers in areas who may be facing more challenging hurdles to home ownership due to a lower income, less money available for the down payment, higher interest rates for other loan programs, and variable employment opportunities. The public can make their voice heard by submitting their comments on the proposed changes, but have under 90 days to do so. See the link below for more information on how you can make your voice heard. So, what's up with inventory on the Eastern Shore? Well, available residential homes for sale fell to 995 from last week. 228 of those are new construction. 70 homes came on the market since my last report, reflecting fewer this week over last. 81 homes are coming soon. That's quite a few more than last report. 79 went under contract, no real change there. 91 properties went to pending, a slight rise. 112 properties sold in 25 days at 96.9% list to sold ratio. The highest price home to sell this past week was a waterfront in St. Michael's for $2,900,000. Available rentals fell again this week to 78 homes at $1,835 per month, with days on the market down to 33. What's on your mind about our local market? I want to know, so let me know what you want to know. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, March 10th, 2023. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.